Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add poll to captions on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is creating a post on our Instagram. So we can tap on this plus button, and for example, I'm going to upload a photo to be my Instagram post. I'm going to upload this photo, then we can click on next. You can upload multiple photos actually, but I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and here we can add music or folder, but I'm not gonna do it, so we can click on next again. And if you want to add poll to your caption, you can click on this option and click on poll right here. Again, here you can create a poll caption for your Instagram post, and I'm going to ask a question like this. What do you think? Okay, and this is for the poll option. I'm going to add good and okay. You can add another option right here, but I'm just going to add two options for this poll. Then we can click on this check mark and we can click on share to share this post to our Instagram. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'm going to refresh my page. Okay, and this is the poll that I have just created, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can add poll to captions on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.